All right, progress video. All the electrical was completed. We had an inspection, waiting for a couple modifications before we move on to the next to get a green light on the rough electrical. The plumbing, all of the drains have been run, as you can see. All that drain work is done. Beautiful bay window. Get a little nice street view here. It's going to be a really nice feature. See a little fireplace. See all the plumbing material is laid out. We got a lot of the drain work has been done, but we're still working on this first floor here. See the supply lines have been run. Nice deck, little patio up front. We made it bigger. Looks really good. Drain work. See that? Things are moving.